Just watched a video on YouTube about headlamps that are all hazy, and the video showed this guy that made them look pretty good with nothing but toothpaste. You see that one not bad on the side, but that headlight is just terrible. So toothpaste and a paper towel. He said any toothpaste will do, and I believe he used SpongeBob, but us older people have to use maximum strength sensitive toothpaste because we're old. Headlight, so let's just start working on it and see what we can do. I might have been watching the Only Lunatic on YouTube, I don't know, as he went. I'm going in a circular motion. That's from what I've always done on sanding or now then, let me get me a wet rag and get some of that off and see what it looks like. Alright, get a wet rag. Let me get some of that toothpaste off here and see if it did any good at all. What do you think? Did it work or not? Clean paper towel. I don't know, I believe. Alright, see if it helps this driver's side. Been working on it for a little while. Alright, try it off a little. Alright, after it dries, everything, it looks better than it did, but still not great. But I'm going to try, and he put wax on his just to keep it looking pretty good, but what I'm going to try is some turtle wax, some rubbing compound. And it is a wax, but it is it's supposed to buff out all the little imperfections, and it's a lot like the toothpaste. It's an abrasive to a point, but it's a wax abrasive. So when it dries, it'll dry nice and shiny, I believe. I don't know, we'll find out. They say you can take this compound, what I've heard, and work on it hard enough. It's just as good as any other method that they use on headlights. I don't know. I hope it's well, it'll at least shine it up a little. And it is a whole lot of an improvement over what it was to begin with, so there can't be a whole lot of downside to this. Or let it dry to a haze, and then we'll wipe it off. I'll have one shiny spot on my chrome too, and see what it does. Alright, let's buff that thing off and see what it looks like. Chrome looks better. Nasty truck, I gotta get it cleaned up a little. Well, it's squeaky clean anyway. Whether it's any better or not, I don't know. If I buff it out enough, I believe that compound did the trick. What do you think? Any better? Alright. I did the other side while I was waiting for that side to dry. So now this side's dry. Let me buff it and take a look at it too. It's squeaky clean again, I guess. These little old knobs are always in the way, and I don't know what their purpose is. Alright, what do you think? I think they look fantastic. They're not new, but is it an improvement from what it was? I think it's I think it's a vast improvement. Alright, I guess that's it for today.